You know, I was reading up on the latest stats on drone usage, and I stumbled upon something that really caught my attention. Did you know that the global drone market is expected to reach over $40 billion by 2025, with a huge chunk of that coming from the recreational sector? It's no surprise, really, considering how far drone technology has come in recent years, offering an unprecedented level of accessibility and capability to enthusiasts and professionals alike. With that in mind, I wanted to share my experience with the DJI Air 3 quadcopter drone, a piece of equipment that I've had the chance to put through its paces, and I have to say, it's been a real eye-opener. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. One of the standout benefits of the DJI Air 3, in my opinion, is its ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, the intuitive remote control and the drone's robust stabilization system make it incredibly simple to get airborne and start capturing some amazing footage. I remember my first time taking it out for a spin. I was a bit nervous about crashing it, but the DJI Air 3's obstacle avoidance system gave me the confidence to just focus on getting the shots I wanted, and the results were fantastic. The drone's ability to track subjects and follow them smoothly, even in complex environments, is also a huge plus, and it's opened up a whole new world of creative possibilities for me. Another area where the DJI Air 3 really shines is in its image quality. The camera is capable of producing some truly stunning footage, with vibrant colors, and a level of detail that's hard to match with other drones in this class. I've used it to capture everything from sweeping landscapes to tight, intimate shots of wildlife, and the results have been consistently impressive. The fact that it can also shoot in RAW, and has a high level of manual control over settings like exposure and focus is a big deal for me, as it gives me the flexibility to really fine-tune my shots and get the look I'm going for. Plus, the drone's long battery life means I can spend more time in the air and less time on the ground, which is a big win in my book. In terms of practical benefits, the DJI Air 3 is also super portable, which makes it easy to take with me on the go whether I'm heading out on a hike or just want to grab some quick shots in the park. It's always a convenient option to have in my bag. The drone's folding design and compact remote controller make it easy to stash away in a backpack or even a large purse, and the fact that it's relatively lightweight means I don't have to worry about it weighing me down. Additionally, the DJI Air 3's robust build quality and durable construction give me peace of mind when I'm flying it in less than ideal conditions. I know it can handle a bit of wind or rain without skipping a beat. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons of the DJI Air 3, I'd say one of the major advantages is its overall performance and capability. It's just an incredibly capable drone that can handle a wide range of tasks and environments with ease. Another plus is its ease of use, which makes it accessible to a wide range of users, from beginners to experienced pilots. On the downside, I do wish the drone had a slightly longer range. There have been a few times when I've been flying it out in the countryside and lost signal, which can be a bit frustrating. However, this is a relatively minor quibble, and overall, I've been really pleased with the DJI Air 3's performance. All in all, I've been thoroughly enjoying my time with the DJI Air 3, and I think it's a great option for anyone looking to get into drone photography or videography. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, it's a piece of equipment that's definitely worth considering, and I think you'll be really impressed with what it can do. So, if you're interested in learning more, the link is in the description below.